Hi, everyone. You know the number one thing that my top practices members tell me they value the most from being a top practices member? It's accountability. It's being held accountable by a coach, that's me, to your goals, to the plan that we put together, to the execution plan that we have that we put together. And we hold you accountable using our tools. Our Podiatry Prosperity Growth Plan, which is a month-by-month, step-by-step approach, basically a cookbook to get you where you need to go. Our marketing calendar, which is a brand new tool that is very sophisticated, that allows you and your staff to just take control over your marketing and make it actually easy. We have action plans that guide us each and every way, and I will hold you accountable. So if you're ready for that, if you think 2021 is my year, finally, to be my best year ever, then simply join us and let's make 2021 your best year ever.